gusto ng pusa? Wala. Sino gusto ng aso? Wala. Sino gusto ng rabbit? Wala. Sino gusto ng some squirrel? Yes, we want squirrel. Squirrel? Oh yeah. I got one. What do you want? I want two. Okay. Ito na. Meron na. Na-wrap ko na yung squirrel. Yay! Squirrel. Can I feed him?